Hey everybody, it's Lon Seibin. It's time for another unboxing. The folks from Wyze sent us their brand new product called the Wyze Sense. This consists of a motion sensor as well as door sensors that can detect when things are opened. And it works with their existing camera products that we have looked at before here on the channel. This is their $20 or $25 Wyze camera. These are really good security cameras that are very useful and also very inexpensive and have no monthly fees. And it's been doing quite well on my channel. A lot of people are looking for this kind of stuff. And this little kit adds some motion sensors to the mix. And Wyze sent all of this stuff to the channel free of charge. Looks like we've got a little SIM popper tool here. And here we have the module that plugs into the camera. These sensors communicate with the camera, and the camera then communicates up with your Wi-Fi network. And here we've got one of the sensors. Now this will detect a door opening or closing. Let's see if we can get it out of the plastic here and see what it's all about. And what I was seeing on their video that they did kind of introducing the product is that people have found other uses for these things beyond just doors. So you could maybe put it on your refrigerator, on your cookie jar or something like that. And every time these two pieces get separated, it will push an alert back to the camera, which can then trigger other things that you might want to take a look at. So this is how it goes. And when it's in this position, it's not triggering. And then when you detach the two pieces here, you can see it start blinking to indicate that it has lost its connection to its pair. So that is one of the units there. We have the motion sensing module here. They're very tiny, actually. And I think there are some sticky things on here, too, that you can peel off to stick it to stuff. So pretty small device here. I think maybe you have to pop it open here to turn it on. So we'll take a look at that in a second. Maybe that's what that tool is for. And then we have another one of these opening sensors here as well. So you get two of the door sensors and one of the motion sensors here. And let's open this up and see what is inside. There's a little reset button there. Maybe turns it on. Let's take a look. Let's just pry it open here with the, oh, there we go. Okay, so it's got a little battery in here that's replaceable. And I wonder actually if we can do the same on the little sensor modules here. I'm guessing there's got to be a battery. Yeah, so it's got a little battery in here too. So let's pop that open real quick and see what's inside. There we go. So a little replaceable battery here for maintaining that connection. And the video that they did on the product design was actually interesting. They had shown some of the prior versions of the product where this antenna was a little too close to the battery, and they changed the kind of battery they were using to reduce interference. So it might be a fun little video to check out. So that is that. So I'm going to start playing around with this stuff and see how it all works. Now again, this does require their existing camera. So you do have to pick up one of these cameras, but these cameras are not very expensive. The sensor kit, by the way, is $20 on its own, and then another $20 or so for the camera. And then the module for communicating pops into the USB port on the back of the camera. This works with their cheap camera here, as well as the slightly more expensive pan camera that they have. We reviewed that camera a little while ago. That camera is the 360 camera, so it works with either of their cameras, and it very easily pops back out again when you want to move it around to a different device. I'm guessing the range on these will be a bit limited, so we'll have to see how far you can go with this stuff. But we will have a full review of all of these things coming up in the next couple of days on the main channel at lon.tv. So stay tuned. Full review coming soon.
This channel is brought to you by the lon.tv supporters, including gold level supporters, the Four Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.